Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 17th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out the if-else statement. Now in the last tutorial we saw the if statement in action, and we made a program in which we asked the user to enter a number less than 10, and if the number entered was less than 10, then we use printf to display a message on screen. Now what if we wanted another printf statement to be executed if the number entered was not less than 10, it was greater than 10? Well, we couldn't do that using the if statement, and that's why we're going to check out the if-else construct in here. And I'm going to write in the same program in here. It's just going to have a few extra lines of code. And at first I thought that I should just borrow the code that I made for the program in the previous tutorial, but I have a fresh file here. It's just going to take, a minute for me to type in the code again. And the file is called if_else.c. On line 1 I have a comment, on line 2 I have the header file, and then I have the main function and the curly braces. So we're all set, right? And well, just as in the previous tutorial, I'll have to declare my variable first, and I do that by typing in int space a, and then I'll use printf to display the message, enter a number less than 10, put a colon at the end and a semicolon to terminate the statement. Then I'm going to use scanf to have my input, use the %d format specifier, get the address by typing in and a, put a semicolon to terminate this statement, and then I'm going to type in the keyword if. Within parentheses I'm going to have my test condition, which is a less than 10, and then, well, within curly braces I'm going to have my first printf statement, and that's going to display the message good job on screen. And well, after the second curly brace of the if statement, I'm going to type in the keyword else, that's else, right? And then well, else is going to have its own block of code, and within this block we're going to have the second printf statement. So just as with if, we have a pair of curly braces for else, and within those curly braces you have to type in your statements, and again it's going to have just one printf statement, and it's going to display a message like, well, what should I display? What's wrong with you? You have to understand English. You're supposed to follow the instructions on screen, right? So you put a semicolon to terminate this statement, and I press Ctrl S to save the file, click on build and run to see the output. And there you go, that's my output window. So I see the message enter a number less than 10, and when I type in 5 and press the enter key, I see the message good job on screen, right? Let me execute the script again, and this time I'm going to type in 56 as the input. Now 56 we know is not less than 10, so the second printf statement should be executed, and I should see the message what's wrong with you on screen, and that's exactly what I see, right? So this is what the if-else construct helps you to do. If you want something to happen, if a condition is met, if something evaluates to true, then if that's all you want, then just use the if statement. But if you want something to happen if something evaluates to true, and something else to happen if something evaluates to false, then you have to use the if-else construct. And it's really very simple, and again, we'll be meeting it a lot in this course. So I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you guys in the next one, in which we'll discuss something interesting again. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.